In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Zoom on computer. We're going to use the Microsoft Store on a Windows PC, which is the simplest and most reliable way to make sure the Zoom app you installed from the store stays current. Updating through the store helps you get the latest features and security fixes with just a couple of clicks. First, open the Microsoft Store. You can do this by clicking the Start button and typing Microsoft Store into the search bar, then selecting the app. You might also find its icon on your taskbar or in the Start menu. Make sure you're connected to the internet, since the store needs access to check for updates. Once the store is open, look for the search box at the top and type Zoom. Press Enter to see the results. You should see the Zoom app appear in the list. Go ahead and click on it to open its dedicated page in the store. This page shows the app's details, including its version, description, and most importantly, the action button you'll use to update if an update is available. On the Zoom app page, check the main button. If it says Update instead of Installed, that means a newer version is available. Click Update. The store will begin downloading and installing the latest version for you. You may notice a small progress indicator as it works. You can keep the store window open to watch the progress, or minimize it and continue using your computer. The update will finish in the background. When it's done, the button typically changes to Open, indicating the app is ready to use. If the button does not say Update, there's no newer version available through the store at this moment. In many cases, you'll see a button like Open or a label indicating it's installed. That's a good sign that your Zoom app is already on the latest version provided by the Microsoft Store. You don't need to do anything else. That's all there is to it. By using the Microsoft Store to check Zoom's page and clicking Update when it appears, you ensure your app stays current without any extra hassle. Keeping Zoom updated helps improve performance, compatibility, and security, and it only takes a few moments. If you follow these steps the next time you're wondering whether you need an update, you'll have your answer right away. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated Zoom experience.